Shoes on. Let's go, please. Wayne, come on, please. Thank you, sir. All right. Oh, shoot. I forgot to do your hair. All right. All better. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Out the door, please. Where are we going, guys? Mimi's house to play outside. Careful, please. No, Audrey's at school today.
They're monkey ball flowers.
Other side, please. You guys know which side you're on. The kitty won't get you. It's okay. Come on, let's go.
The black one.
Hop in, please.
He bites. The black one.
You want to play on the swings? You want to go really high? All right, ready? Yay, Bailey. Yep. Out. In. Out. In. Your shoes are on the wrong feet, Marley. Silly girl. What you doing, Wayne, buddy? Huh? What you making?
Like a brick.
Oh, a brick. That's cool. Where are the rocks at? Let's go find some.
What is that?
Mushrooms, but not the kind we eat, right? We never put those in our mouth. Make your belly hurt, make you very sick.
The ones that
Very.
are on the grass you don't eat.
You're right. Thank you, Wayne.
The ones that
Bailey, come on, princess. Let's go.
store you can eat.
Cutie pie.
The ones from the store you can eat.
Yes.
I like
You may walk. Go ahead. Marley, why did you do that? Should we kill animals for fun? No, thank you. That ant wasn't hurting you. Don't do that again. That's not nice.
Little ones are a part of nature. Big ones are.
Yes, this is their home. We don't need to kill them for fun. That's not kind. What?
Little ones are a part of nature. Big ones aren't.
No, they all are a part of nature.
Griffin said that big ones aren't a part of nature.
Okay, well, stop killing bugs for fun. It's not nice.
You kill bugs when they're in your house.
Well, that's different. They're in your house. This is their house. This is the rock spot. I want you to pick just a few. We're not going to fill the bucket. And then we can take them up and we can wash them. And then you can take them home.
I'm trying to find the big rock. Let me get this one. Mommy, look at this one.
Wow. Okay, Marley, you're filling up your bucket a little fast, honey. You need to be picky.
Big rocks. A big rock.
Big rocks.
Wait, I want to get a stick.
What?
Just little rocks.
There's little rocks right here. Wayne's working on one rock, aren't you, Wayne?
Yes, it's a big one.
He's digging it out with a stick.
This rock's a cool one because look, it has green at the bottom.
Whoa. You're gonna have to wash that really good, right?
Yeah, so I can see the green. I need to wash this one really, really good. Look at this big rock. Look at this
Whoa.
big one.
That's a big one.
I need to wash this.
Okay, pick 3. Come pick 3 out of your bucket.
I
Just pick 3, Bailey. That's too many. Bring them over here, baby. Dump them out and just pick 3 that you want to wash, okay?
got 3.
You got 3?
I don't wanna get myself wet. I want it graduate.
1, 2, 3. That's good. No more. No more. Come on. Nope, no more. Walk up the hill. No, we're not going to use that hose. We're going to use the other one up top. No more, Bailey. No more rocks. You have enough.
I need to walk fast so we can get because my legs are tired.
Your legs are tired? Come on.
Wait a second, is this a caterpillar?
Where?
That thing crawling? That long thing?
Oh, that?
What is it?
Where is it?
Right here.
Where is it? I don't
Right
see
there.
it.
Right there. It's right there.
Look at that.
This
Yeah,
thing right here.
that looks like a baby caterpillar. Or a centipede, I don't know.
Oh, a baby centipede. The water's not there.
Okay, are we getting wet today?
No.
No, we're not. We're just putting a little water in the bucket. All right, that's good. Thank you, Wayne. Tiny bit. All right, that's good. Now you can put some in this one. All right, that's good. We're not getting soaking wet. Thank you. Go turn off the hose, please. Thanks, Wayno.
There's Billers.
Uh-oh.
I'll give her a little more.
We're not getting wet. Get up, please. No,
Come
no,
here.
no, no, no.
Come
We're
here,
not
Bailey.
getting wet.
Come here, Bailey. I'll give you a little more.
No, Wayne, we're not getting any more water.
No, she doesn't have any.
We'll give her some of yours.
Why? I'll give her more from the hole.
Tiny bit, okay?
Come here, Bailey. I don't want to do that.
All right, let's dump the water out. And then we're going to go put them on the step to dry, and then you can take them home.
Well, it's got 4 rocks.
Did you put your rocks on the step? Wow, Wayne, nice choices. Nice rocks, buddy. Marley, that's more than a couple. Wonderful. Pretty rocks, girl. All right, we're gonna go look for chickens. Come on.
No.
They're not over here. Maybe they're around the side of the house. Come on. coming.
Why does maybe still have her nutcrackers up?
It's a great question. Mimi, if you're watching this, put your nutcrackers away. Nutcrackers are for Christmas, right?
Nutcrackers.
Mimi's funny.
Why does he keep them up?
I don't know. Check where.
In the chicken coop they're throwing eggs.
Yep, let's go. All right. Are we checking for eggs?
I hear
Oh, I hear them too. They must be in there. All right, let's leave them alone in case they're laying eggs. Okay? Huh? You want to go on another swing? Oh yeah, there's another swing. What? What? There is more room. There's enough room for you. See? Gentleman Wayne scooted over. Climb up. Feet up. All right, ready?
Yes. Go very high.
Whee!
Can you go high on the swing?
No, it's just a relaxing swing.
Can you push us again? Like at the back.
You guys need a bath today.
Mommy,
What?
can you push us at the back?
Push you? No. It's not
There's
supposed to go
There's
super high.
Brad. Okay.
Hi.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? You ready to go home? You guys do need a bath and we need to eat before nap. So,
Mommy,
what?
can't we get something from inside to eat?
At Mimi's? No, we're not going to go in when she's not home.
Why?
Because I don't want to do that. I knew she wouldn't mind, but I don't want to do that.
Hey guys, how about I
All right, well, let's go
push
home and
you
eat.
guys? I'll push.
Oh, Marley's going to push you guys.
chickens.
Did they come out?
I just saw a tail.
Oh, we'll have to go check. Watch out, Marley. You're going to get hit.
If there's any eggs in here, they'll be right in here, okay?
Cool!
And I don't know who done it.
What you guys doing? Huh? Shaking the sand out. Shake the sand out of your shoes. Hi. Shake the sand out.